anti-slip silicone rubber case grips for your Xbox One and Xbox S controllers. I picked this up because my son and I play Xbox remotes on our PCs, and we thought this might help quite a bit, you know, with the extra grip and everything, so that way you don't drop your remote right in the middle of gameplay. Alright, let's crack it open and see what it looks like.
Call now within the next 20 minutes, because you know we can't do this all day.
Okay, it comes in a package like this from geek.com. There we go. The shipper on this is called Gaming Cobra.
Roger that.
GamingCobra.com. They make a lot of really cool grips and stuff for your controllers.
Most impressive.
It's a non-slip surface. It's great for providing better grip to enhance your performance. It's wall protection to prevent dust, scratches, sweat, other damage, you know, the usual.
Yeah.
It's a tight and firm cover for the Xbox One, One X, and the One S controllers.
Wow.
It's made of durable, non-toxic gel rubber, odor-free, so you ain't got to worry about it.
Giggity, giggity, giggity.
Lines up perfectly with no ripples or weird edges. Precision cut, access for the buttons.
Nope.
Nice. Let's tear one open. Holy crap, it's child-proof. That's it. Let's grab an ink pen and stab it. That didn't work.
Red 5 standing by.
Okay, I had to cheat, boys and girls. Sorry for the voice, but I'm still sick. I went to get scissors. Oh, nice. Very nice. Grips front and back. You're gonna love that.
Oh, baby!
Yeah, and all the buttons are open. Alright. Let's grab the remote a second and see how she looks. Okay. Got the Microsoft Xbox remote. Okay, it looks like you slip it in the back like this.
I like turtles.
Ah, sweet. Oh, that's very nice. Okay, so the back's in. Now we take the top up.
I have you now.
I'm guessing like it is. Okay, let's bring it up a little bit more.
One eternity later.
All right, there we go. Okay, so it does kind of cover just a little bit of the main button here.
What is your major malfunction, numbnuts?
Definitely cool though. Nice grips here. Nice grips here. Man, that makes a big difference. Yeah, you're really gonna like this. Not bad at all. And you can still get to the battery pack. And with these grips underneath, it helps when you're holding it. I like that. I like that a lot. It would have been nice if they would have made this a little bit easier to get to that button.
Don't!
But, you know, it's not that bad. You can still get to the buttons. At least it's nice because you got a nice textured grip part right here.
No, wait, let me say something. Let me say something.
I'm in no way affiliated with Geek or anybody else. These are all actual items I've purchased myself. So it's not something that somebody pays me to review or anything. So if it seems like I don't post a lot of reviews, now you know why. It's all out of my pocket. But thanks again. You guys have a great day and we'll see you soon. Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything. Make sure to turn on post notifications too so you know the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you soon.